Go.
This is Darisbel Bernot. Are you off tomorrow? Sunday is my only day off, so I am excited to tell you about how I spend time on Sunday. Leisure activities. Going to the beach, swimming, watching Netflix series or films, going shopping, eating out, hanging out with friends, sleeping, organizing barbecue. Going to the beach. Do you prefer going to the beach than sleeping when you have a day off? I prefer going to the beach because I love sunny days. It is very relaxing. Shopping. Do you like to go shopping? To lie on the sofa watching Netflix when you have a day off? On a day off, I like to go shopping. It is good for mental health. I forget all the worries. Eating out. Do you like to eat out when you have a day off, or do you prefer organizing barbecues? I prefer eating out. I don't like cooking. My preference. I love to go shopping or do window shopping. I like to go to the beach to enjoy sunny days. I like to lie in bed and watch TV on cloudy days. I love to eat out on Sunday after going to the theater.
Okay. And close it. Close it.